Best Home Security Alaram Reviews. Number 5. Fortress Security Store, TM, SO2 Wireless. Benefits: A. Home security system complete with fully programmable main unit and sensors. Benefits: B. Auto dialer function will call up to 6 designated phone numbers in case of a security breach. Benefits: C. Passive motion sensors detect any suspicious movement or activity. Price: $99.99. Number 4. Fortress Security Store, TM, SO2B Wireless Home. Benefits: A. Door window contacts detect any forceful break-in. Benefits: B. Passive motion sensors detect any suspicious movement or activity. Benefits: C. Loud, outdoor 140 decibels alarm alerts neighbors and deters potential intruders. Price: $169.99. Number 3. GSM 3G/4G Security Alarm. Benefits: A. Free mobile app for iPhone and Android phones so you can control your system from anywhere with your smartphone. Benefits: B. Simply connect the unit to your free pre-installed GSM SIM card, activation required, and enter up to 6 contact numbers into the system. Benefits: C. New completely wireless system with built-in 3G/4G GSM dialer. Activates siren, then dials your phone or sends a text message in case of intrusion. Price: $269.99. Number 2. Sabre Wireless Home Security Door. Benefits: A. Attractive and consumer preferred, superior to other home security products, this premium white alarm looks great inside your home. Benefits: B. Easy installation, no wiring needed, plus sensor mounts on either side of alarm for easier setup. 4 XLR44 batteries included. Benefits: C. Extra level of security, provides battery status update with a low battery test button. Price: $21.23. Number 1. GE Personal Security Windows/Door Alarm. Benefits: A. Sounds alarm when door or window opens, helps deter intruder and alert residents. Benefits: B. Easy and convenient to install, requires no wiring. All mounting hardware included, for indoor use only. Benefits: C. Low battery test button to easily check battery life, includes one LR44 battery for each alarm. Price: $9.48. Check the video description for more information. Best Home Security Alaram Reviews. Number 5. Fortress Security Store, TM, SO2 Wireless. Benefits: A.